About to switch the bowl in Antonio Babino room. The bowl almost full. See, it's raining. Oh, God. And we got another problem. It's raining where the electric wire at. It's raining. Oh, crap. Oh, God, oh, God, oh, God. Oh, God. It's raining. Oh, God, oh, God. It rained on his bed. I had to put his bed up in the other side. Now, look, this is another bowl. It's raining in here. And it's raining by the electric wires. See? It's raining. Look, all the water and the light. See, it's raining. And that's raining by the electric wires into the ceiling. See, rain.